Welcome to Ifa Stories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, rúnmìlà, the iron moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. Pataki, the fisherman who wanted to become a fish. Rezo, kokoro ki irun kobori ikamudu, igi ki irun kobori ifon. Ebo, akuko ayele, red, anzuelos, eku, ella, awado, owo. Rúnmìlà divined for a lonely fisherman and prescribed sacrifice, for he was so in love with the sea that he wished to become a fish. Just as he was about to place his ebo at the seashore, he saw a group of boys stoning a large turtle. He stopped them and helped the animal crawl back into the sea. A few days later, he boarded his boat in search of his livelihood. A huge turtle invited him to climb onto her shell and carried him to the palace of her queen, who was none other than the turtle he had saved. She led him to her kingdom, full of pearls and corals, and presented him with 16 princesses to choose from as wives. His modest clothing transformed into a luxurious suit, woven with threads of gold, buttons of mother of pearl, and shoes adorned with pearls. But his hands and feet turned into fins, his lungs into gills, and the fisherman was never able to return to the land again.